Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada. Semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di acara Icip-icip internasional. Hari ini saya akan masak sesuai dengan permintaan pemirsa semua, karena banyak sekali yang sudah berkomen ya. Udah lama ini saya belum eksekusi juga. Hari ini saya akan masak nasi pecel. Saya juga punya seperti biasa produk Yunileisure, Yuni Simple Cooking Channel, selalu ada nasi pecel hujan-hujan seperti ini. Duh, bikin saya lapar. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang kita eksekusi dulu. Saus kacang ini adalah original produk Yunileisure Channel, Icip-icip internasional, akan segera launching untuk umum. Biasanya kalau sudah masak saya langsung ngacir ke bawah nih bawaan makanan icip-icip internasional. Tapi karena hari ini menunya nasi pecel, saya nggak kuat pemirsa, nggak kuat saya nunggu nanti makan. Saya mau makan dulu ini, baru nanti saya kasih ke icip-icip internasional. Ya Allah, ini nikmat bener, harum banget pokoknya, aromanya sedap bener. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bener-bener top banget ya. Terus ada satenya juga. Icipan lewat aja dulu. Hostnya mau makan dulu aja. Jadi yang nonton video ini, silahkan kalian order nasi pecel. Jangan sampai ngiler. Lucky Colin is well today. Not sauce.
Is it? Oh my goodness.
Hannah is not well. Oh, I hope Hannah is better soon.
Yeah, so do I. I love the individual boxes. Oh my goodness, it's got lots of peanut sauce.
Yes, everything there.
Everything's covered in peanut sauce. Wow, so it's got, it almost looks like a really kind of first class airline meal, you know, you have everything in there. Lovely. So it's got a little bit of chicken with peanut sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, these like little
Oh yes, it's cracker.
They're really good.
Hi, Yumi. Are you okay?
Very good. Vegetable today.
Is it vegetable today?
Yeah.
Good idea. Let me go and get everybody.
Oh, it's really nice though. This is almost like one of those brittles that you get. That has like little bits of peanuts and everything stuck all over it. It's really nice.
We call Nasi Pecel. That is request from the viewer too.
They're probably like the best crackers you've ever made. I really like that.
I broke that one before.
I've ever had a cracker with peanuts on.
Oh, maybe when I broke this.
It was on holiday or something.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that is my product too.
Ah. So this is like tofu or something like that?
Tempe.
Oh, we're coming back.
Okay. You ate that before?
Yeah, very tasty. Is it almost got like spring onions on it? Or?
Yes. That is tempe.
Lots of green vegetables with peanuts. My favourite. Children don't want to eat kind of green vegetables and things like that.
Yes.
Just cover it in peanut sauce, and I think they'll eat it then. Very, very nice.
Alright.
Hey!
What have we got today? Thank you very much.
It's really nice.
I trust you. So, what sauce is this? Is peanut butter?
Peanut sauce.
Got a little bit of spice in it as well.
Peanut sauce, Dr. Colin. We call it.
Very kind of very Moorish.
That's really nice. And what's this?
Cracker, we call peye, with the peanut also.
How about this?
Tempe, soya bean.
Soya bean, is that
Yeah.
tofu?
No, tempe is from fermented soya bean.
That's nice. I really like it. I like the crispiness of this.
Oh,
It's
really?
good, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you tried before because many times I broke that one. Because that
I
is
remember.
my product.
I've never seen it.
No,
Yeah. Oh,
Maybe
yeah.
you're not here, both on holiday or something like that.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was really nice. But you make yourself?
Yes, I make myself by myself. Yeah.
From scratch?
From scratch. Yeah.
Because in a restaurant you need. Because then you don't have to do it all the time, but if when you do want to, especially the summer for fairs and stuff, because your food is really nice, honestly.
I do it online, but only Monday and Thursday.
Mine's broken.
Oh.
I think you need to refill.
I know.
This is really nice. Have you tried it?
I'm gonna try it now.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, so this one I'm going to send back to you.
Thank you, Colin.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I think I will do it as well. This is one. I'm really hungry today, so this is like beautiful.
I think this is a really, really good idea.
I think it's nice to have all the components like this. I think it's also good for reducing like food waste as well. Because at least then like people just take what you want and at least it's not touched as well. So at least then you can keep that and then you could like.
Yes.
What's your favourite part?
Wow. The peanut sauce is my kind of like standout favourite, but these are incredible. These are really, really good. I've never seen it anywhere either.
Really?
Yeah, I've never seen it at a restaurant or.
Yeah, that is the original Indonesia. So Morris.
Yeah, it is very Moorish.
Yeah.
You're right, great. I want to go to Indonesia now because I feel like I'd like to be able to try the food and see the places. It's nice how there's history between like the geography of different places and the food and the connection between that.
Because how many islands are there?
Yes.
Thousands.
Oh,
Isn't it?
yeah.
It's just huge, isn't it? It's a
Yes.
huge area as well. I mean, how many UKs could you fit in the space that is Indonesia?
Yeah. If they stretch like that, it's same big like America.
Wow.
18,110 island and
18,000.
Wow.
6,000 island inhabit.
So it's the red and white for the flag. How many? What's the population of Indonesia? I always guess it's about 140 million, something like that. Well, my guess is 140 million.
I'm gonna go 180 million. Just
180, okay.
Yeah, just to be.
273.8 million people
Wow.
in
So you're close
2021.
I mean, off your guess. I just upped it a little bit. I didn't know, you know. I don't know why that's not. No,
The
it's
food
not.
is
It's not well
specially-
known. Which country colonised?
Holland. With Malaysia, English colonized.
That makes sense actually, because if you think about it, you don't hear much. You hear a lot about Malaysia, but not a lot about Indonesia.
That's
But then
right.
when you say about Holland, because they've got the peanut sauce that they have with their chips. That famous dish with the, it's like they have fries in Holland. They have it with peanut sauce and onions as well, like crispy
Oh,
onions.
that is come
So
from
I think it's
Indonesia.
Indonesian influence, because I've
That's
always
right.
thought that's very un-European to have peanut butter and cooking. So that makes sense now when you say that.
Oh, how you find it?
It's just that me and my friend went to Amsterdam a few years ago, and that was one of the things it said online. You must try this. Whenever we go somewhere, we think, what's the thing to try from food truck? And it was that. Yeah, and that's
yes,
how.
I think that is from Indonesia.
So what language is spoken in Holland? Is it Dutch?
Yes.
So do people speak Dutch then?
No.
In Indonesia?
No.
Really?
No.
Okay.
Here we have our language.
That's quite interesting. Because I feel like some countries, I thought maybe they'd speak Dutch as well.
No. No. I do not know about Dutch.
You don't know any Dutch?
About Dutch language, no, I didn't know.
Yeah. No, I think Bali really lovely. My sister, she went for the summer. My aunt lives in Australia, so she went to Bali for 2 weeks out of the holiday. And she really liked it. And she has some really lovely photos as well. And it wasn't too expensive. So that's what she did in the summer.
It's really lovely.
Let me just pop these in.
Okay.
Thank you. This is broken.
Oh, you got them also?
I love the broken one. I'm good at breaking.
With vegetables.
Yeah, vegetable.
And it's not too big a portion of rice as
And then
well.
broken Colin.
That was really lovely. Thank you so much.
Right, I'm doing that. I'm not a very sweet person. I always prefer savoury.
Thank goodness you turned
That's
that
all the
down.
foods that you make. I really like the savoury food.
I can't honestly, I can't
But do you know
do
those little donuts you made last time? They were nice.
Yeah. Oh.
The donuts with the syrup.
Yes.
That was my favourite dessert so far.
Telepon.
Yeah.
Oh yes, crunchy. It's great.
good.
That's really nice.
You just have to grab it, like the nacho thing with the peanuts. So what was that called again? The
Pay it.
But yeah.
Yeah, pay it.
I was asking you about the donuts because I was asking Colin if you tried them. Uni made these little like donut balls.
Yeah.
Glopon.
Telepon.
Of syrup, and they were really nice. And it was
I think I
with
had
a
those.
butternut. You would think it.
The other thing that I remember that was really unusual was the really big bamboo shoots. Not like tiny things or very, very small things. Big things like that.
Bamboo
Like,
shoot.
like pandas eat. And I was totally blown away by it. And they were so nice as well.
Yeah.
I can see why pandas eat them, because they're like lovely.
I've never tried that.
Yeah.
So normally I just have like maybe a small sandwich or a bagel or something like that and just fruit. So this is such a treat. Oh dear. No, it's good. Very tasty.
Really nice.
Honest opinion. Since you know Indonesian food, which one you prefer? You know Thailand food, you know Chinese food, you know Indian food. Very common in UK.
Yeah.
So you didn't know before Indonesian food. Since
No.
So which one your favorite one?
And
It's not because I'm here. Just honest opinion.
Personally, I'm like Indonesian, maybe Thai, then Indian, and then Chinese is the last.
How about Vietnam? Have you tried?
I've not tried much
Oh,
Vietnamese food. I've tried, the only thing I've tried is pho,
Uh-huh.
and that's the only Vietnamese food I've tried.
See, I might say that, so yours will be first, I might say that pho will be second. The Vietnamese chain in the UK. That's really good, and they do really good peanut sauce as well. Not as good as yours, but they do it. They do a peanut curry kind of thing, I don't know what it's called.
Yeah.
But it's
But
lovely.
peanut sauce still number one.
Yeah. And then I'll probably say Thai.
Yeah. And then how about Indian and Chinese? What do you reckon?
Probably Indian first, then Chinese. I do like Chinese, but obviously this is just like way above.
Yeah. But I think the difference is because you've made this at home, I think it gives you a better chance to try everything properly, because all the other things I've had is from a restaurant or from a chain.
Yeah.
And I feel like the experience you get, the flavours you get is very different. I prefer like a home cooking, and this is, the food is nice but it's still nice and light, whereas I feel like when you go out sometimes it's quite heavy. So you don't always get that.
And they always make it like an anglicised version.
Yeah.
You know? They make what they think English people will like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you get in a restaurant in the UK is not the same as if you actually travel and eat what people actually eat.
Yes, that's true. That's true, yeah.
So you're making kind of real food for us, which is amazing. When you go to a restaurant, it is just what they think you'll like, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right, yes.
And a lot of the flavours dampen down sometimes. Everything's just a bit milder, a bit tamer. So this is really nice. I think it's like different spice palettes to what I would normally use.
I do special meals where it's basically look in the freezer and look in the fridge and see what there is and just stick it all in the pan.
We call that bits and bobs.
Bits and bobs do, yeah. So I do quite a lot of bits and bobs cooking. I get asked what is it and I go, it hasn't got a name.
Now you know bits and bobs.
It just is what it
It
is.
just is what it is.
Yeah. And then just put stuff in it from the spice cupboard and stuff into the
Just to
station.
jazz it up, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know we should have a cook-off? We should try and see what we can like recreate.
You'll probably be horrified at the food that I make.
And then we'll video you try our food.
Yes.
We'll do a reverse. And see what you eat.
Oh my goodness.
How would you cook it in Indonesia? Do you cook on fire, on stones?
Oh, long time ago, we used with the fire or something, but now it's modern, like normal here with the gas, with the electric.
Good to have traditional cooking because we've got some traditional cooking. It's normally over fire and like clay pots.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I had a lady from Fiji the other day. She was saying how they cook. They dig up and they cook it underground.
Oh.
And they put stuff over like stones and they'll put like banana leaves or something over it. Then leave it and then come back and unearth it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what kind of style of cooking would you do then?
Just like steaming, stews,
Yeah.
grilling, and
Is it
using
slow
over fire. Traditionally, the clay pot is like a slow cooker.
Almost like a tagine.
Yeah, almost like a tagine, but it's more like that kind of shape.
Okay.
Yeah. So like the food in there tastes really nice. Like my grandma, her cooking, she doesn't use much spices and stuff. She just makes really plain things, but her food always tastes really nice.
Oh.
Yeah, like a lot of grains and stuff. It's really good.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Like Colin was saying, he normally doesn't eat much. He'll literally have like a little sandwich just big, then have a bit of fruit and that's it. So yeah, not every week, it's not every day, but this is good. This is all the things I've eaten. So no, thank you, I appreciate it.
Semuanya suka nasi pecel sampai bocor semua rantang-rantangnya ya. Tapi emang enak banget. Ini hujan banget tuh di luar sana. Lihat aja. Kacanya juga tertutup hujan ya. Karena lagi musim sakit juga di sini. Minggu yang lalu saya nggak bikin video sama sekali karena saya lagi sakit, dan ternyata minggu ini juga Hana juga nggak masuk karena dia juga ternyata sakit. Musim-musim seperti ini biasalah pergantian musim cuaca itu musim-musim sakit. Oke, kalau gitu pemirsa, jaga kesehatan, jangan lupa makan nasi pecel. Ini bikin sehat karena mengandung sayur-sayuran juga. Oke, kalau gitu segitu aja video hari ini. Laris manis seperti biasa. Jadi hari ini pada nambah semua pemirsa, pada ambil satu orang ngambil dua-dua semuanya ya. Saking nikmatnya ya. Oke, kalau gitu segitu aja pemirsa video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe, komen, dan thumb. Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Bye.